anything.
Exactly. I did what I had to do. I fired my pistol in front of them, not at them. I don't want to hurt anyone. I didn't do anything wrong. I served my country. I served my uniform. I'm not the bastard who put a bullet in that poor boy's head. Worst thing I've ever heard. But like everything went silent. He didn't scream or cry. You'd imagine if someone gets shot like that, they'd let out a yell or something, but no. No, he just made this tiny rasp. And then he was gone.
Jesus Christ, mate.
It feels like the world is on fire. The people have turned on the masters because the masters slipped. And all this shit we're just told to accept has finally become too much to bear. If you take too much from the mouths of the people, they'll eat each other.
That's true, that. I told my son that he could be anything he wanted. But it's not true, is it? People like us aren't allowed to be. On a top pushing down on the bottom.
Man, or Dad here, is it? Well, come on, Mr. Big Man, tell us all. How much were the trainers for your beautiful little bastard?
Hey, don't call him that.
Oh, I'll say whatever I want.
The heel of a boot is broken through my ribs. I'm lying in the street dying.
Because it'll be the only thing you're swallowing. How much?
They were on sale.
How much are the fucking trainers?
They were on sale, JD Sports, 70% off. But they're the last pair left.
How much?
75 quid.
7? Oh, well, kiss them up. Oh, no, they must be pretty nice for that. Let's have a look here. Right, oh, that's bad luck, isn't it? Enough of that. Oh, it's bad.
Oh, baby!
No, you're killing us! Do you understand that? I love you, but you're killing us! Where does it stop, Lee? Do you want to give her blood?
No, I can't.
Because that's all we have left. You've eaten into everything else. You fuck up. Look at us. Oh, does she want more? Is that what it is? No. Right, well, why don't you give her the clothes off your back? Yeah? Why don't you give her the food out of our bellies? What, would you like to give her a nice hot cup of tea? What would you like?
Chill out, will you?
Maybe some fucking pasta. No, come on, Lee.
Relax, what are you doing?
Come on, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do? Eat it! Eat it, you fucking idiot! Eat it!
I'm sorry about that. It's not usually like this. It's just the stress and that disappointment. I'm really sorry, mate.
We're out of 10. I'm so sorry, that's the last one for today. Thank you so much for it. There's only about 2 minutes left in the line. But thank you, and again, I'm really, really sorry about that. Thanks so much for what they're going to take very much me now. Safe home.